I want to talk to you about how you can make money specifically using YouTube. There are many different ways that you can make money out there, but we want to focus today on YouTube and some of the options that you have available to you. The very first one, if you have the skills, you could offer video editing services to clients out there. There are a lot of people out there that know how to record a video, but they don't know how to edit it and add in, intro screens and outtakes and music and all over, dubbing over with voices. They don't know how to do that. So you could offer your video editing services to the clients out there. Now, another way that you can actually make money is become an affiliate. Now, affiliate marketing is really big. And if you want to niche down on that, we can talk about that another time. But the third way is to get branded sponsors. You want sponsors that have a brand name that you can use to supplement your content that you're putting out there. So you can look into getting into branded sponsors. You can also sell branded merchandise, hats, sweatshirts, t-shirts, backpacks, coffee mugs, bumper stickers, things like that. And that's usually specific to the niche that you're involved with. So if you're talking about politics, maybe you have political merch. If you're religious, maybe you have religious merch. So those are some things that you can get into. You can also sell online courses. Now, the videos through YouTube, you can actually sell. So you have a paid service, paid subscription service through YouTube, so you can make money through there. You can also start a paid membership site, and you can use your videos to do that. You may even want to crowdfund a project. So that would be another way to make money through YouTube. Consulting services, coaching services, speaking services, all are really big right now. I'm a business coach and mentor, and I do consulting work. So I know how important this area is. You could even host workshops, and those are really good as well. That's similar to online training, except the workshops are live at the time, and you can record them for later viewing. And you can also, speaking of live, you can host a live show. And doing that, you can get branded sponsors and affiliate marketing and all those things that go along with your live show. And of course, don't forget about the branded merchandise as well. You can license your videos. If your content is good enough and you feel like you can put it out there for licensing, you can actually license your videos. And finally, you can monetize through advertising. There are ways through YouTube that you can actually have advertisements that appear on your videos, and you can receive funds for those. And of course, the more viewers you have, the more advertising revenue you'll receive. So these are roughly 14 different ways that you can monetize or make money on YouTube. There are so many more ideas out there. I'd love to share some of them with you. I'm Dr. Foster, the founder of Maximum Change, and I teach individuals how to start and grow businesses, and I'd love to help you. Have a great day. See you soon.